Welcome back to another video. My name is Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. We still have our host. Please introduce yourself before we go into the video.
Hi guys, I'm Dosyline Daniels.
So what are we going to do in this video? I'm so excited. I know, but you know this man, you're my host, so I'm giving you the authority to take over.
This video is going to be a very, very special video. It's going to be a rich video. You're going to learn a lot from what we are going to do.
We are going to do shea butter process, how it is made from the garden. Yeah. Okay, we're not going to show the harvesting part because it is not the season.
No, it's not the season.
Yes. When is the season?
Around May, June.
Around May, June. And how long does it take for the season to end?
A month.
A month.
Yes.
Wow. Please, how is it harvested? So let us go through step by step before we go to what is happening behind. So how is it harvested?
How is it harvested? Okay, for the shears, the ones that fall off the tree are the ready ones, are the ones people pick from down. You don't climb the tree to pick it from up. You wait for it to fall down. Then now that's what is picked and eaten or sold, or some people sell it, some people eat it. But the fruit is very nice. If you've tested it, you know what I'm talking about. Me personally, it's one of my favorite fruits in this land. Yes.
So as we go deep in the video, one thing I've discovered, each family in their farms, in their compounds, they have thousands of these trees, the shea trees. And I know in the season, they supply a lot of these to the western countries. Those people come here, they buy this stuff at a very low prices from these people because they are suppliers of shea seeds. I think in Uganda, I haven't seen anywhere in other parts of Uganda. I'm surprised by the production they have in this side. We are off season, but again, we can find seeds in the market, in their homes, which means they have plenty and they are always ready. But people who buy these seeds, they come here, buy them at a very low price. Imagine these people invest out of time to dry them, to harvest them, but they buy them at a very low price. And then people who buy them at a low price, they earn a lot of money because they make the final products. What I think is, as Africans, we need to wake up. We need to build these factories in our homes. Imagine if these factories in Gulu, how much these people are going to benefit getting they will be employed. They will be their facilities will be improved, and everyone will be so happy to be part of this production, part of the growth. So let us wake up as Africans. Let us do things made in Africa, made in Uganda. I'll be so proud to buy shea butter made from Gulu, like made in Gulu, made from Uganda. I'll be happy using it. Yeah? Hope you get the image. You're getting what I'm trying to mean. But I wanted to get a drone from a city and show you what we are talking about, because sometimes we need to show everything, but we couldn't find it. And we will go to our best to try to show you around and what is going to happen.
After harvesting them, some eat the fruit itself and others don't. But the most important thing is the seeds. So as you're watching right now, we crack the seeds and we remove the inner bit of the seeds. We crack the shells out of the seeds. The seeds have shells that cover them, as you're watching right now in the video. So we crack the shells and remove the inside seeds. After removing the inside seeds, we leave it to sun dry for a whole day. We leave it to sun dry outside for a whole day, and then we start the process of making our shea butter. After sun drying the seeds for a whole day, the next day we start the process of making the shea butter. So we mix ash and sand all together, but we make sure the small pieces of firewood in the ash are removed, because we have it that when we mix the ash with those tiny pieces of firewood, the oil will not come out very clean. So we remove the ash, the small pieces of firewood out of the ash, and mix it with sand. So we first put that and we roast the seeds inside the sand. So the reason why we mix the sand and the ash is because we want the warmth from the sand and the ash to hit the seeds, and so that they roast very fast. As you're watching right now, you can see the roasting is taking place. So this is the mixed sand and ash and the seeds all together. This is done like this because we want the seeds to get roasted very fast so that it doesn't take the whole day to roast them. So the sand and the ash helps in to bring in more heat to roast the seeds. That's what you're watching right now.
The spirit of Africa is within us. Bold, strong, rich, united, blessed and loved by God. This is us. This is who and what we are. Oh, set me down in Africa. The DNA of Africa flows in every fiber of our being. The glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
Thank you very much for keeping along with us. I'm sure you're wondering what she's doing right now. She's pounding the seeds. So after roasting them from the fire, we get them off the fire and remove the ash. That's why she was shaking. I'm sure you're watching this right now. She's removing the ash off the seeds. So these are the seeds that are roasted. They're now ready. They're ready to be pounded. They're pounding it right now to make it softer, to make the seeds softer. Like these are still hard seeds. I can now smell the aroma of the shea butter from here. If you know how shea butter smells, it's the aroma I'm getting right now. Even with the seeds, it's now giving the aroma, the shea butter aroma. If you know how shea butter smells, that's the aroma that we are having right now. So she's pounding these seeds. After these seeds being roasted, they are pounded to make it softer. After pounding it, we are going to grind it. So keep along, keep watching. We're going to show you this process by process.
I'm getting the shea butter scent straight away from here. Even before the final product, you're getting the right scent, the same scent. Whew. I think this is ready. Mama, is this ready? Please keep along until the end of the video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Should we have companies in Africa to give the final products of this? Because I know we produce a lot of raw materials, yet we are living in a very poor life. I think we need to change our lives. Let us wake up and rebuild our country, our societies.
After pounding the roasted seeds, we grind them. So after grinding them, we mix the grinded seeds with hot boiling water. So as we mix it, they boil together, and then through that process, oil is produced. The shea butter oil is produced. You can actually, as you're doing it, you can see the oil on top of the boiled water and the whole mixture. It takes time, but it needs someone who has been doing it for a long time. These ladies, you saw them working, you saw them doing it. They didn't have any hardships because they know the process from scratch. They know how to do each and everything very well. So they feel it's something small it's not a big job to do. Yeah, they feel it's not a big job to do. And if you follow this step by step, if you've been watching this video from the beginning till the end, you too can learn how to do it. Me, personally, I know how to do it now because I've seen how to do it, and next time I'll make for you guys shea butter oil. And this is not all. There is still more oil to come.
What did you learn? Because I don't want just to do a video, you come here, you watch, you go away. I want you to pick out something. To pick something you can also pass on to other people who will be interested. So I'm sitting far from this because I don't want to get burnt. Yeah, but they are reaching me. So we are going to get this, we are going to extract off the oil which is coming out. As you can see, this oil which is bubbling. Ooh. So we're going to get it, put it in a container because it is going to take an overnight to solidify, and I would want you to get that last part. So tomorrow morning, early in the morning, before the sun comes out, we are going to come back where we kept our oil from, the shea oil from. I'll show you the solid form of this.
So this oil is very hot right now, but when it cools down, it solidifies itself. It gets into a solid form. But when it's hot, it looks exactly like this. As we have showed you throughout this video, we've showed you step by step on how to make shea butter oil. And this is the main result of the shea butter oil. We have got plain natural shea butter oil, and this is how it looks like. And as Nicholas has told you, we're going to leave this to cool down and solidify. And we'll show you guys the solid form of it, how it looks like. When it's hot, it's in liquid form. That's why this is still in liquid form. But when it solidifies, it gets in a thicker version. It gets in a solid form, actually. We are still with you guys till tomorrow morning. We shall show you how the shea butter will be looking like. And don't forget to check out my channel, Dosyline Daniels. The link will be in the description box, or the name will be somewhere. Yeah. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
I thought this is going to take like a whole day to solidify, but it took 2 days. One day and then another following day in the morning. So as you can see, this is our shea butter. As you can see, this is the outcome. There are so many benefits of this, which I'm not going to mention in the video, but there are so many benefits, mostly the skin. You just look at mine right now. Just for a few days I've been here, and my skin is glowing, melanining. But this is okay. We are putting jokes aside. This is the outcome, as you can see. If you want to, I'm sure if you have this in your village and you don't know how shea butter oil is made, you can follow the steps from this video and come up with the same idea. And also, if you want to come and support these people, you can reach out to us, Daniels, Dosyline Daniels, also Nicholas. Our numbers will be in the description box of this very video. You can reach out to us. We can be the middlewoman and middleman. Yeah? But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. If we missed out any information in the video, you can tell us in the comment section, because we're here to learn from each other. You're watching, you're seeing things we missed out. Let us know. Next time we'll do better. But thank you so much for watching. Love you all.
Thank you so much for keeping with us till the very end of this video. It took longer than we thought, but we finally came to an end. Thank you so much for keeping with us. And I've been your host. I've been the host of Eating the African Way for a few days, close to a week. We have made several videos together. But you can check out my channel too, Dosyline Daniels. And yeah, bye.